Hello class, good morning. Welcome back to our online class today. It's me again, teacher Jenny. Okay, so today is Friday. Let's read and spell all together. Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. How about the month? July. J-U-L-Y. July. And how about the date today? 17, correct. And the year is 2020. So let's read one more time. Friday, July 17, 2020. So every Friday first session, everyone, we are going to study Treehouse 3. So everyone, please prepare your study materials like Treehouse 3 course book, your notebook, pencil, and also your eraser. Okay, class? Our lesson for today is from Unit 9, The Candy Factory. This lesson, we are going to continue on page 108. Last Tuesday, we studied this one already, but today we will continue studying this lesson. Our lesson for today is old clothes with 6 new vocabulary words. So old clothes, everyone, we have number 1, scarf, number 2, coat, number 3, watch, number 4, boots, number 5, glasses, and number 6, jeans. So let's talk about these words one more time. Number 1, scarf. Let's spell all together. Scarf, S-C-A-R-F. Scarf. Scarf is a clothes that you can wear around your neck. Correct. Number 2, coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Coat is also a clothes you wear to protect from rain or strong weather. So you wear like that, like a jacket, okay? With a hood also. So this one is coat. Number 3 is watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. So watch is also a clothes because you wear that one on your wrist to check what time is it. So this one is watch. Number 4, boots. B-O-O-T-S. Boots. So boots is a clothes you wear to protect your feet. Like this, the kid. Okay. Next, number 5, glasses. G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Glasses. So this one we call actually eyeglasses. You wear this one to protect your eyes. Like this girl, she's wearing an eyeglasses to protect her eyes. Correct. Next, number 6, our last picture or last word is jeans. Jeans, J-E-A-N-S. Jeans. Jeans is similar also to trouser or pants. Jeans is made of denim material like this. Okay, so this is a common jeans. Alright, so we have 6 new vocabulary words that we talked about a while ago. Teacher will show you a video that related to our lesson for today. So are you ready to watch and dance with teacher? Great, let's start.
Let's sing. Old clothes. Is this a scarf? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, this is a scarf. Scarf. Into the candy machine it goes.
Is this a watch? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, this is a watch. Watch. Into the candy machine it goes.
Is this a shirt? Who knows? Who knows?
No, this is a coat. Coat. Into the candy machine it goes.
Are these boots? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, these are boots. Boots. Into the candy machine they go.
Are these glasses? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, these are glasses. Glasses. Into the candy machine they go.
Are these shorts? Who knows? Who knows?
No, these are jeans. Jeans. Into the candy machine they go.
Alright everyone, now that you watch and I think you dance with that video, right? Great, so it's also part of our exercise, body exercise. Now let's proceed to our practice for today. Our practice for today is you need to copy this practice into your notebook and match the same picture. You are going to find the same picture from these numbers to these letters, and then you need to match it, draw the line. Okay everyone, so can you help teacher? Alright, so let's answer all together. Number 1, this one is you wear around your neck. Correct. Scarf. Can you find the same scarf from A to F? Which letter? A, B, C, D, E, or F? Well done. Letter C. So match this number 1 to letter C. Scarf. Number 2, we have boots. Correct. Can you find the same boots in here? What letter, everyone? Letter D. So match these boots to another boots. Correct. Next, number 3, we have coat. Correct. Coat, can you find coat? Letter E. Correct. Here. Next, our number 4 is watch. So can you find watch in here? What letter? Letter B. Correct. Number 4 to letter B. Okay. Next, number 5 is glasses. Glasses is letter F here. Number 5 to letter F. And for our last picture, number 6 is pants. Pants is letter A. Correct. So match this number 6 to letter A, or this dot. Well done everyone. Clap for yourself. So that is our lesson for today. So this is the end of our first session, everyone. Don't forget to finish your classwork and your homework and send back your answer to teacher's personal telegram. See you again in our second session, everyone. Goodbye.